always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. You know, for today's letter of the day, I was thinking of writing a letter to Miss Panda.
Mr. Goose, that's not the right kind of letter.
It's not?
No, the letter of the day is a letter of the alphabet.
Oh, you're right, Fox. Let's check the letter board. Today's letter is E. E makes the sound eh in envelope. Fox, repeat after me. Envelope.
Envelope.
Now you try.
Envelope.
Excellent.
Mr. Goose, I want to get some envelopes.
What for, Fox?
So we can all write letters to Ms. Panda.
That's an excellent idea. And while you do that, here are more things that begin with E.
Envelope. Envelope. Exercise. Exercise. Elephant. Elephant. Egg. Egg begins with E. Egg.
What letter do all these words start with?
E.
That's right. The letter E. Yes.
task.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter E. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Let's make letters in the sky with clouds.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Hedgehog, show us how.
Okay. E.
Great!
I'll trace the next one. E.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll try next. E.
Nice job!
I want to try. E. Ooh.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
E.
Exactly, uppercase E. And what's this letter?
E.
That's right, lowercase e. Nice job!
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody!
Thank you, Mr. Goose! E!
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you, too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
E!
What's this letter?
F!
What's this letter?
L!
What's this letter?
T!
Now let's do it fast.
E! F! L! T! F! T! L! E! T! E! L! F! L! F! E! T!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter T!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Teju's Shadow. Let's find out what happens. Let's begin. Teju's Shadow, written by Sope Martins, illustrated by Ndumiso Neoni, designed by Aisha O'Reilly. What's that? Teju hides. It won't find me here. He runs. Why are you following me? Leave me alone! Go away, go away, go away! Teju, what are you doing? It won't go away. Your shadow? It follows me everywhere. It's like a super secret spy. Well, there's one way to make a shadow disappear. Mama! Later that night in Teju's bedroom, the light goes off, and then on, and off, and on. Teju can't sleep. What's wrong, Teju? It only goes away in the dark, but I'm scared of the dark. Mama gives Teju a big hug. Do you want to see something amazing? Mama and Teju make shadow puppets until he falls asleep. After school, Teju waits for Mama. I'm bored. Teju stands up. He jumps. He dances. His shadow does the same. Cool! When he goes to bed that night, Teju leaves his nightlight on. Good night, Shadow. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing If You're Happy and You Know It.
We don't know that song.
Ah, you don't know it yet. I'll teach it to you. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Now, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray!
Now let's do all three.
If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray!
That was splendid.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
I'm crunching leaves, but only purple leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
Which balloon is purple? There it is. Purple balloon. Which kite is purple? There it is. Purple kite. Which sock is purple? There it is. Purple sock. Which jewel is purple? There it is. Purple jewel. That's exactly right.
Oh, hi! It's so nice to see you. Let's listen to some quiet music together. That was very nice. Thanks for visiting. Goodbye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon.